Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's service light reset episode, we're going to do the oil service light reset in a 2021 Ford F-150. We're inside the vehicle now. Got the key inside the interior. First step is to push the start stop button. You can also do this process with the engine running, but I'm just going to show it with the engine off. Once the vehicle powers up, using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can navigate through the menu, go down to settings and hit OK. Again, it'll bring you up to a settings sub menu. I'm going to scroll all the way down to vehicle maintenance and hit OK again. It'll bring you to the vehicle maintenance sub menu. You hit OK on the oil life, and then simply push and hold OK to reset the oil life, and that's it. So again, this was on a brand new 2021 Ford F-150 redesigned. So you've got, we're in the specifically the Lariat trim. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost. I mean, mechanical shifter, full open roof, and this large 12-inch screen. Got your trailer, reversing pro, drive mode selection with the twist knob, as well as the 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive selections. 12-inch digital dash. These really are some nice looking trucks. Oh, and then one of the hidden Easter eggs, if you haven't seen yet, you got American flags on both sides of the dash. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more content. Hope you liked the little extra bit there. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.